Astro Pixel Processor. I prefer it much better than the Deep Sky Stacker. One reason why, it does much more and the image comes out looking better, and you don't have to kill yourself trying to drag it out like you do in Deep Sky Stacker. Anyway, this is the home screen of this program. Right now I'm running 100 light frames and the calibration frames of M31. So it's quite a lot of data, but it's taking it in real good and it's going pretty quick. Anyway, when you get started on this, you come over here to the left side. This is the main control panel. And I'll skim it here for you. Shows you your CPU, resources. You can adjust the slider over to get more or less. Come down here, you got all these tabs here, and you start out on the 1, work your way up to 6. In fact, when you get better at this, you can just do 0, load, and do calibrate. I always select remove light pollution. Then you can skip all these and run up to integrate. Hit the integrate button, and it automatically comes back and does 3, 4, and all the rest of these normalizes for you. Then it'll finish up. Then the finished product will come out over here on the screen. Alright. But this is what you do to set up. You click on 0, and you set your pattern, which is be RGGB all the time. The algorithms in here, you have several to choose from. I always select HA03 color if I'm not doing a whole palette, or I just wanted to straight. The software will do it for you. Select force bear, neutralize, and find this other one here, saturation. You click that. All you do is when you get to come back over here, that's set up. Come back over here and do your load, and that's when you load all your frames. You go to your files where you store them and you load it. Once you do this, and then 2, and do this here, jump up here, then you just click integrate, and it takes, you name the file, and it does its thing. And it comes out on the other end, and over here is all your adjustments. You can come over here, you can play with all the, you stretch it, saturation, highlights, whatever you want to do over here, and you play with it, whatever you like. Set it up. Once you're done, you just hit save, and it'll save it to the predetermined folder that you select. So basically, it does more than, it's more detailed than Deep Sky Stacker. And when I get done with this image here, I'll show you the difference between this one and the Deep Sky Stacker when that gets done stacking. And once I get this one finished, and I'll send a picture. But anyway, this thing, they charge you by the year. I take that back. I believe this is a one-time charge. I think like $69, but it's well worth it. Deep Sky Stacker is free, of course, but like I said, you got to work your buns off to get the thing, your image to show up out of that dark blotch you see when you first load it up. Anyway, have any questions on this, decide you want to get it, I can help you with it, and it's a really good program. All right, Don. Bye-bye.